And Teresa and Edie, and as you work with customers, do they ask a lot of questions about it? Do they enjoy the experience? Are they surprised by it? I mean,
Yeah,
what are the reactions to it?
yeah, I think that one of the main reactions that we have seen is that people are noticing a rapid transformation from having a skin with troubles into a healthier skin. And the process that Kent was explaining is that once we remove that waxy layer of the skin, we can push any product. If we're talking about hyperpigmentation, we put brightening products in, and the absorption it's so deep into the skin that the effects are almost immediate. So the reactions of our clients and our patients have been super exciting about this new technology that finally is resolving a lot of the issues that a lot of technologies out there haven't been able to resolve. That's why we were
So,
so excited about this.
and so what you're finding then, I guess you could call it the efficacy of these topical treatments or medicine or acne or whatever, is actually increased significantly as a result of, I guess, prepping their skin with this technology. And what do you use with it? Are you using the mask or a wand, or how are you applying it
So
for many of your
the
treatments?
machine comes with a mask that it's put over the face. And like Ken was explaining, it just infuses the ozone into the skin. And immediately right after that, it depends what is it that we're treating. It's the product that we will be using right after. And once that product infuses into the skin, then we go from having a little bit of acne into almost no acne, or if you have very cystic acne, what it does is it shaves the top layers, and we can put something that it is very efficient to clear that acne, and everything comes out super easy. That is something very difficult when it comes down to cystic acne. So cystic acne is so deep ingrained into the skin that you cannot penetrate that skin no matter what. You let the skin heal by itself. That causes a lot of pain in a lot of our clients. But once we use the Fia, infuse the ozone into the skin, put the proper product to flush the skin flushes the next day immediately. That is something that I have never seen before.
So, in your experience, then, are you seeing that these treatments are not only are improving as a result of the Fiat tech, but it's actually shortening the time it takes for them to,
Absolutely.
I guess, heal or produce the end results,
Absolutely. That's exactly right.
which makes customers very excited about
Right,
it.
right.
And there's
And
no
Downtime,
downtime.
that's
I mean,
another
that's another remarkable thing about this device.
Yep.
Most other things that you would treat acne with, there's always a downtime, meaning, sometimes, like if you're doing a major peel, sometimes there's a downtime of a week where you kind of have to lay low, your skin starts peeling, all these other things. With Fia, there's no downtime. It's powerful, but it's so gentle
Yep.
that there's virtually no downtime when the skin is healing and you're working on these more difficult cases.
and for a point of comparison, some of the difficult cases, what's the usual duration of the treatment? I mean, have you seen it accomplish what it needs to do in days, weeks?
Absolutely, like half the time, if not a little less, depending on the client, of course, and how many treatments they're getting. But it's cut that down at least in half.
In half, absolutely. So
Okay. Wow.
treating a cystic acne that will take you months upon months, we're talking about a few visits, between 8 to 10 visits on a regular basis, and the skin starts repairing, healing, flushing everything out, everything with it. It is magical. Definitely something that I have never seen before, and I've been working with the skin for a long time and treating really delicate cases of having very delicate skin with acne, and even with that, you're seeing the healing process happening in half of the time or even less than that.
Hi, my name is Nicholas. I am 21. I've been dealing with cystic acne for about 11 years now, and if you have a hard time trying to find something that works for you, that is not as painful and not as expensive, that allows you to find something that works with your schedule, I am very thankful to be able to find Fia Air Primer Face Mask by Sanctuary Skincare. I was referred by a family friend to try this because I have tried it all. I have tried Accutane, I have done peels, I have tried many painful procedures, and it pained me for many years to be able to find something that works for me. Thankfully, through that reference, I was able to find something that not only allowed me to not shave my beard or do any other extra procedure that made it inconvenience for my schedule, was the 15-second Fia Air Primer Face Mask. I have dealt with golf ball size cystic acne, which makes it extremely painful to lay down. So I was willing to try anything. So when I found out that it was a non-invasive procedure with zero downtime, I was extremely excited. I was told that it not only helps, but makes extractions, in case anything happens later, easier to be able to extract, which allowed me, knowing that I have super oily skin, the safety and security to know that there is a pain-free option to relieve the suffering that I deal with on a day-to-day basis. I am very thankful to be able to find Fia, and I have only had around 9 treatments, and I was able to see dramatic results. It is definitely worth the time to be able to find this, and I am extremely thankful to be able to find something that allows me to not go through such a rigorous and hard process to be able to take care of my skin.